Alright, going to do a BLT today. Been having I had a couple, or a BLT from Pret or some kind of sandwich shop, and it's out of a fridge. It's pre-made. The bacon is cold and it's not been rendered properly. The it's cold white fat, and the bread's soggy from the mayonnaise, and because it's been sitting for a while. So I thought I would show you how to do a really good proper BLT. So it's going to be obviously freshly made. I'm going to use 4 slices of bacon and 3 slices of bread and make a big proper sandwich with the fat nicely rendered. Out of the bacon. Going to make my life easier and cheat a wee bit by using tin foil to make the cleanup a wee bit easier at the end. It's pretty sharp actually. So this is just a packet of bacon. I opened it the other day, and it's just normal bacon. It's quite thick actually. Good quality smoked bacon from Sainsbury's. And all I did was I just took a pair of scissors and I cut through the fat, and what that does is it stops it from curling up, so it stays nice and flat when you're cooking it. Just put a wee bit of oil into it. And yeah, not going to be eating this very often, so it's a bit of a treat. So I'm having on one sandwich 4 slices of bacon. Used to make this in a couple of different bars and restaurants actually that I worked in Glasgow. Kind of didn't realise at the time just how good they were. I have a very sore back today, so I'm going to be having to do a lot of leaning like this. Oh. Into the oven, under the grill. It's all very straightforward. Mayonnaise, got a new mayonnaise. It's proper full fat mayonnaise. I was using this light stuff, but it kind of doesn't really taste of anything. It's finished anyway, but that's the full fat good stuff. Tomatoes. This is really sharp actually. Tomatoes, I want to have at least 8, but maybe I'll do 12. We'll just go with 8. We'll go with 4. So 8 slices of tomato, they're quite big actually, so and just some rocket lettuce. And 3 slices of bread. Point it up. Should I use my toaster or should I just wait and use the grill? Don't quite have enough space for everything under the grill. Right. You can see that the fat's kind of toasting up nicely. I want to get a wee bit more colour onto these wee bits of fat here, so you don't want to overcook it and dry it out too much. I'll just put these in the toaster, actually, that'll be quicker. Very good. Let's put this one under the grill as well. Just probably put the 3 pieces of bread out like that. The grill is pretty good, it's pretty even. Actually, it does cook things quite nicely. Yes, we're a bit of just standing around and waiting there. I do tend to cut garlic quite a lot in this board. Probably shouldn't really cut it on this board. If you do, hopefully the smell of garlic doesn't come through into the toast, but it should be alright. So that bacon's done now. You can see how nicely kind of brown it is. Nicely kind of toasted. Call it done. Almost up. I like to let the air get around it a wee bit, let it crisp up. So it's going to be 3 layers, 3 pieces of bread, 8 slices of tomato, 4 slices of bacon, so it's proper, it's a nice full big sandwich. With full fat mayonnaise on it. Start with a bit of lettuce. So lettuce kind of protects the bread, stops it going kind of soggy. We shall go bacon next. And this bread is quite big, so we can just put the full slice on like that. 4 slices of tomato, that. And then just the same again. So I'll do it the other way, so the fatty bit was at that end, so we'll reverse it. So the fat bit is at this bottom bit, is at this end. So rather than putting mayonnaise onto this bit of bread, I'll dip that into this, get that covered in the bacon fat. A touch, you don't really need to do this, but just a wee tiny bit of salt in the tomatoes. Obviously you get salt from the bacon. And then I'll stack it up. Good sharp knife so it doesn't all fall apart when you slice it. There's you there. It's neat. And that is a proper BLT. Clean up here. So every mouthful has got lots of bacon in it, lots of tomato, 4 slices of bacon for one sandwich. But yeah, that's you there. It's a proper BLT, nice and warm, nice freshly toasted, full fat mayonnaise, full fat bacon that's been nicely cooked and nicely rendered. So it's a different league to what you get in the sandwich shops like Pret and stuff like that. So it's going to be a nice bit of lunch done.